Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center, Houston, Texas, 77050 June 2022. Sunita L. Williams, Captain, U.S. Navy. Ret. NASA Astronaut Summary. Sunita, Suni, L. Williams was selected as an astronaut by NASA in 1998 and is a veteran of two space missions, Expeditions 1415 and 3233. She is currently training for the Starliner 1 mission aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, the second crewed flight for that vehicle, and her third long-duration mission aboard the International Space Station. Williams and her crewmates are working closely with Boeing to develop their new spacecraft systems, which will provide round-trip crew transportation services to the International Space Station. Personal data. Born September 19, 1965 in Euclid, Ohio to Dr. Deepak and Bonnie Pandya, considers Needham, Massachusetts to be her hometown. Suni and her husband Michael enjoy hanging out with their dogs, working out, working on houses, working on cars, working on airplanes, hiking and camping. Education. Needham High School, Needham, Massachusetts, 1983. Bachelor of Science in Physical Science, U.S. Naval Academy, 1987. Master of Science in Engineering Management, Florida Institute of Technology, 1995. Experience. Williams received her commission as an ensign in the United States Navy from the United States Naval Academy in May 1987. After a 6-month temporary assignment at the Naval Coastal System Command, she received her designation as a basic diving officer and then reported to Naval Aviation Training Command. She was designated a naval aviator in July 1989. She then reported to Helicopter Combat Support Squadron 3 for initial H-46 Seek Night training. Upon completion of this training, she was assigned to Helicopter Combat Support Squadron 8 in Norfolk, Virginia, and made overseas deployments to the Mediterranean, Red Sea and the Persian Gulf in support of Desert Shield and Operation Provide Comfort. In September 1992, she was the officer in charge of an H-46 detachment sent to Miami, Florida for Hurricane Andrew relief operations on board USS Sylvania. Williams was selected for United States Naval Test Pilot School and began the course in January 1993. After graduation in December 1993, she was assigned to the Rotary Wing Aircraft Test Directorate as an H-46 project officer and V-22 chase pilot in the T-2. While there, she was also assigned as the Squadron Safety Officer and flew test flights in the SH-60B, F, UL-1, AH-1W, SH-2, VH-3, H-46,